I say Annie wrong for expose the boy as a sprat. Tell me, say them no figure mad. If Annie figure prison, them figure madden tamper with him own a back door, so that ain't nothing. What? The last good female thing we ever go on a Stefan Dan and Jada Kingdom. From that, nothing again. Look how long that's how long. About 4 or 5 years that I got. So my best now.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete if made upon the beat and it can't see. Pan on the screen. Figure it out. I look Annie, bottom man, you know my people. Yes, figure it out. It's looking Annie man for console him. Cause I might go through some things because of the comment section. Putting out the comment section what's on to think about that because Foota hype is going in on them. No pun intended. Yes, him have a wild up Spice and the whole heap of them pan fish talk. You see me I say because him a tune into any series and it's not a good look. You see me I say one bag of bottom take leak out and all type of, you know, SA thing pan a BA TT thing. You see me I say, and you know say Bounty Killer expose Akeem in the process too. And no, I'm not defend that. You see me I say, put in the comment section what you think about that because we see Snow Diddy and Nicholas have strength for Ivani when she are exposed them bottom business. But we see Big Bag and Bounty Killer do it now and it's quiet. You see what I say? So these are the type of things that I talk about because the place does fishing. You know what I mean? So let's like and share the video from now on our social media platforms and let's get into it.
This now. You notice 90% of the boy them were hype on TikTok. It a reveal so them a backdoor man. I do the boy them. But what I find really weird now is that most of the girl them where we see a hype up themselves, them agree with them backdoor figure dig off. Only not realize. So this girl now, because I don't really know them, my people tag me in them video. This girl named Annie now. Find out say a man who should do it is a doodle man. Right? Listen how they serious you know. She and him there. And the next man call her and tell her say she fi know say a fit him man. Right? You know like when you do with that woman and you're outside, woman call a real woman phone. I saw the man call Annie and tell her say our man where she live with a fit him man. And then send Annie a video where the man send him, where the man screw out the inches out of him own a back door. See? Now, Annie dey on the net. Annie put out the video. Annie a talk about it. Me hear more than one other female a cuss say Annie shouldn't do it. And I say Annie fi go to prison. The man fi lock up Annie because Annie exposed him. Now tell me, if them a girl where I say Annie fi go to prison, no fi go to Madden. Them girl where I say Annie wrong fi expose the boy as a sprat. Tell me say them no fi go to Madden. If Annie fi go to prison, them fi go to Madden. Talk the truth now where God love. Now, me hear them a talk about press charge and she exposed this and that. First things first, him never tell Annie say him go 2 ways. Him, I tell Annie say him love she and everything, him deceive her. Only didn't know say it's a crime to deceive somebody. I love crime, you know. You can go to jail for them something, you know. For lead on people in the wrong way, you know. Now you know say, you love man. You know allow the girl them alone my youth and stick to man alone my youth. Me hear one girl I gotta tell Annie say, after she never see him with no man, him did just tamper with him own a back door so that ain't nothing. What? So, you want to see a man with a man? Before you know say him gone? Him send a video to a man. A screw in and a screw out things out of him own back door. And you want to see more than that? If you know say him gone? Something alright. I mean hear one next woman I tell Annie, but him is bisexual, nothing is wrong with that. It's like how girl love girl and girl love man. Him are just a man who love girl and love man. Like how the fuck is that even wrong? You know say Annie should have got press charges against him. Cause Annie could have AIDS now and don't know. Annie need to go get tested for AIDS. Annie need to press charge for him. Annie need to sue him. And the woman them where you hear I defend the man, you know say them into backdoor sex business too. That are the only way them would have defend something like that. The whole of them are some dirty. And you see me, that's why me know say, you see God love me different. Cause you see some of them gala, we hear defend them something, yeah. Me know them long time, you know. Me know them long time. And God never make me want to have sex with them yet. And make me beg them not fuck yet. None of them look nasty, dirty, derogatory gala where I defend certain things. You ever hear them say, Foota and them did that, or Foota and them ex, it never happen. Never happen. Never happen. God know when choose for me. And know say them and not for me. You understand me I say? It's so embarrassing. From what day I be a man of people think straight. It a come out, say them gone. Them boy a real bitch, the man a finger him own a back door. I send it to man. Like my you could kill yourself. And then you come talk about you a bad man. Bad man where? Me not tell a lie, all if me didn't know you as a bad man. I'm afraid of you. From me hear the story and now mother just want to kick in your face. Use all my rich, you can just run it through your neck 5 times. And just watch it leak out. You see me? Nasty. And if you know want bottom, you not stay to man, my youth. You understand me? I say, disrespectful, disgraceful. Jamaica? No, boy. Me worry about woman, you know. Cause some of them boy, when they even know say them lean because them act straight and them going like the most thug and the most this and the most that. Ladies don't have to pray here, sir. And then me not up on the market. So I like the whole of them can come there with me. Me can't deal with that. Me I get old now, me not have time. See no bag of woman and gallus business, but boy, it rough pound star. Rough pound car. Them boy are some bitch them. Yo. Them say the man have him finger got through him on the back door. My youth, I say you love smell shit. I say you love smell shit. No, sir. No, sir. Anyway, let me get to different subject, car. As far as how me see it now, I've just left them at them self-destruct, you know. Me not fighting with them, you know. Me over here, so them over there, so. Lord, them self-destruct, you see it? Hear me I say now, though. Tifa. I better come back from the market, I want this guy. But I've been off the market a long time. Telling me, say, I'm a retired gallus. Me not deal with gallus business again. You see me? Afraid of them nowadays, girl, man. A hood in a batty and hood in a hole them a deal with. That are germs, that are joke business. Can't deal with it. No depend that. Me alright. Not trust them girl dog. Big man thing. All of them young girl, I'm afraid of them. Them too experimental, me can't bother. Me a old school, me a true bombs, me can't deal with that. So here me a say now. People wanna talk Tifa for me there. Cause me need for Tifa hear what me a say now. Disclaimer. Cause me like give my disclaimer them first. Disclaimer. I am not taking side with most of the females in dancehall. Cause me burn out most of the females them in a dancehall. Cause 50% of them go a Batman show or promote Batman business. So I'm not really into none of them. If I'm me alone and me have the power, if then give me the power if you can expel people out of dancehall, I would expel most of them female artists. I would expel the whole of them. We go Batman show, go perform and banish them. Meaning say, yeah, expel them and banish them. Would I make sure say anybody record them, lose them privilege in a dancehall and them license. Anybody book them for a show, lose them promotion license and lose them permit, everything. Yeah, big man thing. Zine? Anyway, I say that for say this now. Tifa, why on earth you come on the media and come basically apologize to Spice? Me don't understand. Who in your corner, who in your camp, who dare tell you to do that? Who tell you to do that? No, Tifa, we not hear from you all long. We not hear no song from you all long. And you come to BAM. And your voice from WYFL. And people are say, a Spicy attack. You don't even load the song, make the song bust. You are kill your own song. Run, come out, come up. Oh, I wasn't talking to Spice and you, Spice look like she in a unity with you. How long you know the song and nothing now go on, no wave now go on for you now run the place. You ever see Spice say, come make her run the place? Let me tell you about the female side of the business and why it hurt you know. Uno beg friend too much. Me have a friend named Apilus. The man always said to me, say, you cannot make an omelette without breaking a few eggs. No, Tifa, even if your song they got bust, you come kill your own song. Where you fly up, come out, alright. Spice na come out, come say, she feel like a you she attack. The fans, they must speculate. And I say, a Spice she attack. Where you run, come out, oh, I just want to say, I wasn't talking Spice and a unity and really. Shut the fuck up, Tifa. Like, what wrong with you now? One afraid of competition. That's why over the woman side boring, so your song would have bust. Loud the song make people go and think a Spicy attack. Loud the song, all if on a Spicy attack. Make the song grow and build and get it true. Glory way to forget. You run, come out like you're afraid. Oh, I wasn't talking Spice for what? Spice have pay your bills? Spice have pay your bills, my girl? Spice have give you money a month time? When Spice go up on her tour them with cartel, she call you? What the fuck you care if the fans them want things say Spice attack for? Where you water down your own thing for Spice for? Me not understand this. Make Spice come out, come say you she attack now? Make Spice come say how dirty Tifa attack. And make the song get more glory. You just jump up out of nowhere like coward that kill you. Like fright that kill you. Me can't believe you do that to your own song, you know. Exactly. When Nightly Fish them call you or Entertainment Report call you and stage, you could have said Anna she attack. Where the fuck you come out literally apologize like what is wrong with you? First thing you're not supposed to fret about Spice. Cause Spice talk about you been up foot them, you talk about her belly. Yeah. And if she talks say you know breed and you can't breed, you talk so if you're pitting them a jacket. I say it go. We mean we are afraid of. What you afraid of? What make you come do that to your own song? And then you Spice attacking her song. A K Queen, she attack. And you do your song and people say, you know make it run? Where you come stop it for? You kill your own a fucking song. For what? Spice look like Spice a deal with unity to you? Tell me if you think Spice a deal with unity. Spice a do her own thing. And nothing wrong with that. You know say, you see how long Spice not find a hit song. From go down there with Sean Paul and Shaggy. She not find a hit song. You know why? Because Uno make Spice can't find a hit song. Spice not really have nothing to talk about. Spice not have nothing for really DJ say. Cause Uno afraid to attack her. Uno afraid to throw out pan her. Uno afraid to take on Spice. So Spice now would have to get back in her element and get bad again and start drop some bomb again. Why you think she do that song up on WFL? Cause she want answer K Queens them. Cause in the last part of K Queens them song you can hear say it come like a Spice them attack and Spice take it on. You for the people them divert to you. And say you and Spice, yeah, jump up one as yo, this something burn me, it burn me, yo. It burn me, say man. It burn me. Tifa, me lose half of your brethren. First thing Spice not like no female artist. If Spice say you bad, she friend you out. And water you down. And make you look like she had the dads and you had the little soldier. That she do pan put it. And when she sees a Shensia now running in, she just turn with Shensia. Malice them. Why you think Shensia go up on the song with she and Cartel and say, King and Queen? You think say by accident Shensia said that? No. Shensia say it because she need shade Spice. And remember me not take aside with nobody. Because Shensia shit in her plate. Spice a shit in her plate. Tifa a shit in her plate. So no like me I take none of them side. Me just a say. I am just saying. Why did Tifa run out with white flag and kill her own a song? Tifa, Spice have something over here or something? Me not understand why you do that in a Tifa. Me want to know if Spice have something over here or what. After you at up the woman side of the dancehall now, make them say a Spicy attack. You're not busy. You know within yourself saying a Spicy attack. Where you come out, come put out public disclaimer. Spice never acknowledge you, nothing like Spice say, what me and Tifa have? Tifa me and have not know it's so like you drop out on me. Then you could have said something. You jump out like, what they call him, Jimmy the Coward Frog or something. Me no know, you jump out. Oh no, I wasn't talking Spice and, you know, we're trying to do unity and love and top nice, Tifa, move your blood clot. Which peace and unity? You're bad long time. Look how long you're bad. And not now go on for you right now. You probably have some money saved on a day thing. But you're not at right now, Tifa. Oh, your atlas come, God give you atlas and you come water. Yo, but yo, it's something burn me. Yo, I say burn me now, man. Like what possess you if you come do that? What possess you? Who in your corner tell us if you do that, Tifa? Who in your corner tell us if you do that? Anybody tell us if you do that, more hold them and box them. Alright, see there? Somebody say you apologize before you even get a lick in your face. I know me there, so I try to understand what is the fucking reason Tifa ever come out and apologize to Spice and you don't say nothing about Spice? Why your problem? Spice a throw word pan K Queens. The people them don't want to give K Queens because two K Queens them the boss here. So them throw it over your side. You will a ball fall and throw up white flag. Oh, what the blood clot is. You all know, Father God, Tifa, where you grow? Which way you grow? It look like where you grow up be a breadfruit tree in your yard or what? All this makes sense. No, Tifa, I say you're afraid of Spice. You know, say that's why Spice now do better. Cause everybody afraid of her and afraid to attack her. So she just get lackadaisical and start singing be a fuckery. And the song them not it. And you who need a bada her head with a chip long time and should have find back the thing and the formula them. And uno make Spice now run the place, you know. Cause uno afraid to take on Spice. Uno afraid to give Spice competition. Remember, say you have some people, them work better in a competition. Spice are one of them people. When she feel like somebody a bother her, try to take her space, she go harder. But the whole of them just sit back and watch her and do nothing. Cause she not do nothing. Spice never eat song all long. Sometimes look like if Cartel not keep a show, she not get a show. Because the place boring. Over the woman's side, boring. Over the woman's side, boring, yo. Over the female side, boring. Now Mac Rhythm bring back her vibes now. K Queens do them song. Spice feel like a them. A she them attack. Spice drop her song and a drop what pan K Queens them. You Tifa drop her song. The people them want to give the glory because they don't really want to run with K Queens, you know. Although K Queens song bad, you know. Them don't want to run with K Queens. So them say, it sound like Tifa throw what pan Spice. Because they want to start that thing with the Spice. You come out now. Run out of nowhere. Oh, no. I wasn't talking. It's Tifa or the DE them. And a Spice me the talk. I don't want no problem. I just want love and unity. We can do all girls too much or too enough. But all girls too. If Spice tells her she want two of you, Spice want gonna hold the all girls that she don't even use pampote. Much less you. She don't want to see none of you. I'm afraid to admit the fucking fact, dog. Spice not like none of you. Spice don't even like the man artist them, much less the woman artist them. Spice don't even like nobody. More times Spice don't even like herself. So what the fuck you come talk about unity? What could have possessed you? For you just run out. I kill your own song for please Spice? You're mad smarty man? You have to just come out and say, me do my song, you know. And anybody want to take it on or them want to take it and for them business. Or the DEM, whatever the fuck you say. What is wrong with you on that coward mentality, man? You don't know say coward bring brokenness. Bravery bring wealth. The last good female thing we ever go on a Stefan Dan and Jada Kingdom. From that nothing again. Look how long that how long. About 4 or 5 years that I got. So my best now.
Yes, put in the comment section where you think about that. Now, like I said in the beginning, you can go up on a Mixup and Things channel if you want to check out more upon the Bounty Killer Akeem situation, as well as DJ Frost and Vibes Cartel. This in Bounty Killer Wicked last night. This is my sake. I went not long in the toad, no longer run you, so no more. So do the right thing and subscribe to all of my channel. Then I'm going to turn on the notification about them. Therefore, you'll be notified when I drop the latest on the dancehall news, musical reviews, and gossips. Bless.